To enable or disable amplify ambient sound via accessibility button in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap hearing enhancement. Tap amplify ambient sound and then tap amplify ambient sound shortcut. If this menu is still on, tap the on off switch until the switch turns blue to turn it on, and then select tap accessibility button. Next, you can easily enable or disable amplify ambient sound by tapping the accessibility button at the bottom right corner of the screen and then select amplify ambient sound. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.